Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Fingerprint on the Safepal app so you can use your fingerprint for quicker access and security actions. First, open the Safepal app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to Settings. Now tap on Security. Inside the security settings, look for Touch ID and tap on it. Here, you'll see two options, for login and for signature. If these options are turned off, turn on the option you want to use. You can enable fingerprint authentication for login, signature, or both. After you turn on an option, Safepal will ask you to enter your security password. Enter your password to confirm the change. After that, your phone will ask you to verify your fingerprint. Place your registered finger on the phone's fingerprint sensor and wait for the verification to complete. Once it's verified, fingerprint authentication will be enabled for the selected option. Now, whenever Safepal requires the selected security action, you can use your fingerprint instead of entering your password, depending on your settings. And that's it. These are the simple steps to enable fingerprint on Safepal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Safepal tutorials, crypto guides, and tech tips.